Today, India celebrated the Golden Jubilee of the victory in the 1965 war with Pakistan. But the event was overshadowed by the one rank, one pension protest, with military veterans boycotting the celebrations. And while negotiations between the government and the protesting ex-servicemen continue, with some of them also meeting Home Minister Rajnath Singh today, the veterans say assurances simply won't do any more. And they now want a meeting with the Prime Minister.
For the first time, India celebrating its victory in the 1965 war against Pakistan. Not too far away, also for the first time, veterans boycotted the official celebrations. Commemorating the 1965 war separately at Jantar Mantar, continuing with their demand for one rank, one pension. Like D.P. Nair, who fought in the famous Battle of Khemkaran, where the Indian victory was more than decisive. He was invited to the government function to mark the Golden Jubilee celebrations, but he chose to be with the protesting veterans.
Principally, I don't agree that there should be any boycotting of anything, because I believe in negotiations, no fruitful purpose will be served. Should I go and violate the demand of my co-brothers?
I agree with you wholeheartedly. I should be celebrating our great victory in 1965. But we are on the streets. Why?
With many veterans staying away, the President met the few who showed up at Amar Jawan Jyoti.
It's a day of many firsts as veterans continue with their protest. On the other hand, the government says there is no need to agitate as it stays committed to giving one rank, one pension.
अभी थोड़े बहुत जो कुछ गैप्स है वो भरने की कोशिश चालू है. Give it some time for completion.
The protesting veterans today met Home Minister. Sources tell NDTV more or less all hurdles have been cleared. The only issue that needs to be ironed out is whether pensions are rationalized every year or with a gap of 2 or 5 years, something that the veterans are not willing to compromise on.
We have requested a meeting with the Prime Minister, and I'm sure Prime Minister is the last word. He had assured us. We have full faith in the Prime Minister.
Negotiations between the veterans and the government have been long and tedious, and yet there are a few more rounds of negotiations left. There are, however, clear indications that the government and the veterans are close to solving the issue. But it is still not clear when one of the key poll promises of Narendra Modi, that a one rank, one pension for the military, is going to be implemented. With Ketki Angre and camera person Srinivas Rao and Raju Punia, Shruti Ranjan Sen for NDTV.